Hi everyone, Henry here with another value-packed video. Today I'm going to be talking about System.io custom codes, right? There are certain functionalities we want to add to our System.io website. You can see this platform is one of the best platforms to use for beginners and for people who are trying to scale their business to the next level. But however, despite the good things about this particular platform, there is functionalities that are needed that you don't readily have available on the platform. And that is why you need what we call a custom HTML part of System.io, right? And with this custom HTML, you'll be able to do a lot. And one of them is that you'll be able to add a custom CSS to your website. Custom CSS allow your website to be very visually appealing. Beautiful colors, beautiful designs. Also, you want to have some form of interaction, so you will need things like JavaScript on your website and as well the HTML. Now all these things allow your website to be very functional, more beautiful, and for you to be able to do a lot more than the platform allow you to do. One of such is what I did with one of my websites. I was able to even turn one of my websites into an e-commerce platform that allowed me to add to cart. Right? I'm able to add to cart. I'm able to do a lot of stuff that the System.io normally would not allow you to do. Is because of that functionality. This is a System.io website, but it is not the normal website you are used to, because on the normal one you cannot add to cart, you can't do a lot of stuff, but this you can do a lot of stuff with this because I was able to customize it to give it the functionality I want. And the good news is, to do something like this, it's one click. It will not take you anything to do them. You don't even need to design all these things. Like when I was creating this website myself, I didn't design this website. Everything was done by AI, and I will show you how to do that. But first, let's talk about how you can add this custom code on your System.io website. So guys, the moment you log into your System.io dashboard, you will see the dashboard. Then what you want to do, you want to go to this place where you see website, click on sales funnels. When you click on sales funnels, you will see all your sales funnels, right? Then you just go to this place here and click create. The moment you come to this place, you can put in the name demo 206, right? And I just select anything, sales page, whatever it is, just select what you want and choose the currency and click save. Once you click save, it will open for you. Like you will see this particular interface again for the second time. Then you will click what you just created immediately. Once you click, it will open for you and it will allow you to select your template. Now see, you can select the kind of template you want. You can just choose any type of template. Let me just go with this. I select my template and now I have what I selected. You can come here, customize all this part, put the link you want to have, then click edit page. When you click on edit page, you will now see the page where you are now going to start editing your own landing page or your website. But now our goal here right now is for us to add a custom code. If you want to add a custom code, all you need to do is just locate this place by the left hand side where you have the element here. Scroll down to the element, you will see raw HTML. Now raw HTML, drag it and drop it anywhere you want your custom code to appear. Let's say I just want it here, I just drag it here, and you can see here I have the spot for it. So all I need to do now is to just click it. If you click on it, on your left hand side, you will see raw HTML here. Then you will see edit code. Click on edit code and voila, you are able to now play around with the custom CSS code. All right, so you can just come to ChatGPT and just write, give it a command, whatever thing you want to do, just give it ChatGPT a command. In my own case here, I say create a JavaScript code for me, for my website to display light on page open that I can embed on my website. See, just use any English, whatever English you choose to use, ChatGPT will understand and ChatGPT will create something for you that you can use. So all I need to do now, once the code is done, I just come right there, I see the code here is created, I just copy the code and I'll take it back here and just paste. You can see everything is clear, everything is here, I just click save. And when I do that, you will see the effect right now on my site. Let me click here and let's have our site open. So boom, the moment I open the site, it just brings out the light on open. So you can add a lot more functionalities on this. One of the biggest that I've done so far is to literally create this entire website using ChatGPT and System.io without designing anything. It was a one-click option for me. Go click here and watch the video so that you can create your own website with one click by embedding it into your System.io account. See you in the next one.